Hello, welcome to Vienna Hauptbahnhof station. This is my mom, and we just spent the day exploring Vienna. But now we're here. It's about 8 p.m. and in just over an hour, we're gonna hop on the night jet to Zurich, which is Austria's unique and hopefully amazing sleeper train. So without any further ado, here's an overview of our route, and I'll see you in the ÖBB Lounge. Tonight, we'll leave Vienna Hauptbahnhof, or main station, at 9:39 p.m. and head west through the night, reaching Salzburg at 12:30 a.m. There, our train will split into two sections, one bound for Zurich and one for Venice. After a 2-hour layover, our Zurich section will combine with a Hungarian train from Budapest and continue into Germany. After re-entering Austria and stopping at Innsbruck, we'll cross over the Arlberg Pass, affording us wonderful sunrise views of the Alps. We'll then cross the tiny Principality of Liechtenstein before entering Switzerland and heading west past the turquoise waters of Lake Walensee, arriving at Zurich in the mid-morning. Hello, we're in the lounge. It's quite small. It's just like this main area. There's a meeting room down there. I'm not sure if you can use that. So they have a bunch of drinks, and they have a couple of snacks. And they have 2 coffee machines. It's not exactly on the caliber of like the Moynihan Lounge, but it's still quite nice. And it's also it has some comfy seats, which is great. So yeah, I'll get something to munch on, and I'll see you back at our seat. Welcome to the lounge. It's actually quite small. Just this section down there, and the main section, there's a meeting room back there, but it's a nice place to wait. There's some snacks. I got dried banana and a snack mix, and their drinks, and there's a coffee machine. It's not to the caliber even of the lounge at Moynihan in New York, but it is a nice place to wait, and we're both tired after exploring the city all day, so yeah, it's nice. But like, don't come in expecting like Emirates first class levels of luxury. It's nice, but it's not like luxurious. And anyway, yeah, that's the lounge. So yeah, I'll see you either while we're still in the lounge or when we head down to board our train. So, we exited the lounge, went up to the platform, and found our car. An important thing on this train, and many European sleepers, is that it splits in 2, so you have to make sure you're in the right car. The type of car that runs on this route, as well as the route from Zurich to Hamburg, is a unique and cool type called the WLAB-MZ. These cars have really nice upper deck compartments, as well as more cramped lower ones, but the reason I'm bringing this up now is because these specific train cars are being retired in April of 2025. This video was filmed in July of 2024, so it's unknown then, but these sleepers are over 30 years old. They're built in the mid-90s, so yeah, they're being retired. So if you want to ride this type of train, do so before April. Alright, now a room tour. Okay, we are on board. This is amazing. So there's this corridor, and then you come up these stairs like this to enter the room, and it is so cute. So the door closes, and then there are the 2 bunks, which I know that the lighting's bad, but there are 2 bunks. There are 2 sets of double windows, which is nice. There's this table here, and there's this area which we've stuck our bags, and then there's a shower, a toilet, and a sink, which is all private to us. Quick note, the only reason we have a private bathroom is because we booked a deluxe compartment. These offer more space, a private bathroom, and on the double-decker trains, extra windows. I'd say the extra space is worth it, especially considering you might be stuck in a cramped lower compartment otherwise, but the upgrade fee can be significantly more than the 50 euros we paid. Also keep in mind that the extra space is a lot less noticeable on the non-double-decker trains. Alright, back to the room tour. So yeah, it's really amazing. One thing I was not expecting, I think, is just how big this is. I knew it was quite large, but I did not know it was this large. This is really nice. My mom does want to be filmed, but yeah. We'll get settled and I'll see you as we leave Vienna. Hello, we're at Wien Melding, or Vienna Melding station. We just gave our breakfast cards. She took our tickets. I'm assuming our ticket checkers don't have to disturb us. And we've locked it both with this lock and with this lock, and we're leaving Wien Melding now. So I really love this. They gave us a little amenity kit which has many bottles of water, Whatever this is, I'm not exactly sure what this is. It's all in German. Tutti frutti candy, because why not? Face soap, and that's it. Oh, and slippers. Quick thing, right after filming this clip, they came and gave us another little amenity, and that was sparkling wine. And they gave me one too. Now, the drinking age in Austria is 16, so I could have had some sparkling wine. I didn't, but if you want to get drunk on a sleep vapor train, do it in Austria, I guess. So yeah. Oh, and a free IMF. So yeah. That's that. I think we're gonna start getting ready for bed. So I guess I'll give you one more update before we turn in for the night. We're both going to bed really early because about 6:30 a.m. we passed through the Alps and through Liechtenstein, and we both want to be awake for the scene of the Alps and for the novelty of tiny country. So yeah. We're leaving the building. You can see absolutely nothing. My face is very brightly lit from the one light. So yeah, without any further ado, I'll see you getting into bed. Hi, I'm being lit by the night light. It is about 10:30 p.m. We're going to sleep early to see the Alps tomorrow. So good night, and I'll see you tomorrow morning. Good morning. I slept really well. It's just a few minutes before 7 a.m. I woke up a bit later because we're running quite late. We're running about 8 minutes late. We're just leaving Landeck now, which we were supposed to leave at 5:20, and it's about 6:40 now. But that's fine. It's more time. That's great. Little compartment. My mom said she woke up when we stopped in Innsbruck, which is supposed to be only a 10-minute stop. That's where they add the second locomotive to get us over the Alps, and that was a long stop there. But yeah, we are very much in the Alps. I don't know if you can see any views, but yeah, I'm gonna get up, get dressed, take a shower, which should be fun, and I'll see you as I get settled. So I just got out of the shower. It was interesting. The water only turns on, like, barely. But breakfast came. My mom got coffee, as you just saw. These things, which was apparently, like, garlic cheese, but we're not sure what it actually is. Bread rolls, cheese, yogurt. I got most of the same. But I also got, it's coffee, creamer. I got tea and marmalade for my bread. So yeah, that's that. We're gonna eat breakfast. I'll see you after the video. So we started eating breakfast, and then the views really started. The Alps are incredible, and I'm gonna just shut up and put some music on under this. Enjoy these views. Hello, we're still at Blue Dens. I know my hair looks weird, it's still drying from the shower. It's Blue Dens or Blue Dens. It's a German word. I'm not exactly sure how to pronounce it. We were supposed to stop here at 6:25. It's currently 8:02. So we have actually gained a delay since we left Landeck. So we are now about 100 minutes late. But again, I'm not complaining. This is great, and we get to see this scene and also freight train. So yeah, it's now about roughly 2 hours to Zurich from here. I guess I'll see you after we leave Feldkirch when we pass through Liechtenstein. Welcome to Liechtenstein. Here we are. So Liechtenstein, the train line running through Jamaica, and the stops, of course, there are 3 stations in Nendeln, Forst Hilti, and Schaden Vaduz. We'll pass through all three. And the sun is like glaring down in my eyes. I'm gonna close it part of the blind, but yeah, Liechtenstein, cool, fun, and also mountains, because Liechtenstein, at least in this part, is very mountainous. Alps mountain. I wanted to film Schaden Vaduz station, but I think we're crossing into Switzerland now. I could be wrong. No, yeah, this is the bridge into Switzerland. So welcome to Switzerland. It is kind of sad that I didn't get to film Schaden Vaduz, but get excited because I'm going to make a dedicated video on Liechtenstein, and on taking transit to Liechtenstein. So fun. We're now in Switzerland. We pull into Buchs, then we reverse out, and then we get some great views of Lake Zurich. So I'll see you as we leave Buchs. Hello, we're leaving Buchs SG, or Buchs St. Gallen. You can see behind me Swiss countryside. Here, I'll show you down here. So we are currently about 2 hours and 10 minutes late. This is kind of getting on Amtrak levels of delayedness, but it's fine. It's nice. It's a nice little cozy compartment. Secondly, the views of Lake Zurich should start soon. We reverse direction there, and we have a Swiss locomotive pulling us. So in theory, the views of Lake Zurich should be out this side and very soon. Fun. And so I'll see you with the views of Lake Zurich, because while the Swiss countryside is beautiful, I don't want this video to just be Switzerland is amazing. Although Switzerland is amazing, I don't want the entire premise of this video to be just come. You should come to Switzerland, and you should take this train to do it. Alright, so before we hit Lake Zurich, we hit Lake Wallen, or the Walensee, which is even more beautiful than Lake Zurich. This train's windows were grimy, so we couldn't really see it that well, but the water was just a beautiful shade of turquoise, and there's some villages on the other side that are still accessible only by ferry. But I'm going to shut up now. Here is some music. Enjoy the views. I'll see you in Zurich. Alright, we have made it off the train. It was a bit crazy. I nearly fell into the stairwell. While here, you can see those are the Hungarian cars. It's the bridge. These are stab the kids, the exact type of train that will run on Caltrain. But those are the Hungarian cars that come from Budapest. There's normally a Czech car from Prague, but construction work means that that's not running. I find it so fun that these are the exact same beats as British trains. Anyway, that was Austria's unique sleeve train, and it very well could be your best sleeve train. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed and get excited for Swiss videos.